FIFA 23 leaked itself a month early. On Tuesday, EA Sports by accident made the modern-day entry to their FIFA franchise temporarily playable on Xbox consoles, a whole month before its September 30 launch date. Those who pre-ordered FIFA 23 Ultimate Edition obtained a preload option, letting them check out the whole sport and its roster. The EA Play trial additionally reportedly went stay early, granting gamers on different systems early access. FIFA 23 drops on all principal systems including PS5, PS4, Xbox Series SX, Xbox One, and PC. Pre-orders for the Ultimate Edition of FIFA 23 were already in the front of the line, receiving 3-day early access on September 27. But this mishap allowed them to dive in a complete month early. It wasn't lengthy before humans began posting screenshots of the menu, upcoming kits, and the Ultimate Team participant ratings on Twitter. One Twitch person named Mexico07Dan1 also began streaming FIFA 23, earlier than succumbing to an account ban. Clips from the flow are nonetheless available online, indicating that it used to be no longer a permanent ban. As for how this happened, VGC reviews that a portion of the FIFA 23 Ultimate Edition proprietors had get admission to beta testing. But upon updating the version, it one way or the other unlocked the entire game, splashing Sport Fame notifications throughout their friends' Xbox screens. This mistake additionally had real-world implications, as FIFA 23 also ended up leaking 1/3 kits for Liverpool FC and Atletico Madrid's upcoming season. On the Ultimate Team side, gamers have been speedy toward Cristiano Ronaldo being downgraded to 81 pace. Other tremendous leaks consist of a slew of 91 rated players: Lionel Messi, Kylian Mbappé, Karim Benzema, Kevin De Bruyne, and Robert Lewandowski. Ronaldo has been moved down to the 90 rated group, which enlists world-class footballers such as Mohamed Salah, Manuel Neuer, and Virgil van Dijk. This was not the solely mistake involving FIFA 23 in recent times. Back in July, an Epic Games Store glitch allowed Indian users to pre-order the Ultimate Edition for underneath ₹5. EA Sports later reached out to customers and typical the error on their part, honoring the massive discount and letting shoppers maintain the game. Pre-ordering FIFA 23 Ultimate Edition gives you 3-day early access, starting September 27 and presents a bunch of in-game rewards. Players acquire 4,600 FIFA points to spend on their Ultimate Team, and FUT1s to watch player item, a Team of the Week 1 player, and cover megastar Kylian Mbappé has a loan item for 5 matches. FIFA 23 is out September 30 on PC, PS4, PS5, Xbox One, and Xbox Series SX. As an choice to buying the Ultimate Edition, EA Play Pro subscribers get 3-day early get right of entry to as well. FIFA 23 Legacy Edition will be on hand on Nintendo Switch.